يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
So, it is not only a sunnah to memorize this surah, but it is a sunnah to memorize the whole Quran. But it is a sunnah to recite this surah on Yawmul Jum'ah. Why did I not say Friday? Huh? I never said Friday. I always kept on saying Yawmul Jum'ah. I wonder why. Because, let me give you something about the word Friday. It's an Anglo-Saxon word. It's derived from the old German word Freya, who is a goddess. And the old English word day, which means day. And so Friday is a day which is named after this goddess, Scandinavian goddess, whose name was Freya. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives to this day a name, and that name is located in the Quran. It is in the Quran. إِذَا نُودِيَ لِلصَّلَاةِ مِنْ يَوْمِ الْجُمْعَةِ. You heard it? إِذَا نُودِيَ لِلصَّلَاةِ مِنْ يَوْمِ الْجُمْعَةِ فَسَعُوا إِلَى ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. When the call to prayer, the azan is sounded, call, on the day of Jum'ah, hasten to the zikr of Allah, وَذَرُوا الْبَيْعَ, and leave close up your shop, your business. Here is a dramatic example of how all of us, including me, with using a name which was soaked in shirk without even being conscious of the fact that I had entered into shirk and using the name Friday. Now, this is a good introduction to the hadiths which are now to come. Now we can understand the hadith that Maulana Sulaimani quoted. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. The best of you is he who does what you are doing now, who studies the Quran. The best, who studies the Quran and who teaches it to others. And so to gather together for the purposes of studying the Quran is the best possible gathering you can ever have. That is the importance of this class in which we are seeking to study the Quran. Now what about this surah? The importance of this surah.
As-salatu was-salam, 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 salamullah, salatu was-salam,